Are you getting a Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime or DirectX Runtime error while launching Palworld? If the game crashes on startup, refuses to launch, or displays runtime-related error messages, this guide will walk you through several proven solutions.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 installer. Download the x64 installer. Double-click the x86 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Double-click the x64 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.
Open your internet browser. In the search bar, type DirectX Web Installer and press Enter. Click the top result from Microsoft.com, which is the end-user runtime web installer. Scroll down and click Download. Once the file finishes downloading, open the installer. Accept the terms and conditions and click Next. Uncheck the option to install the Bing bar, then click Next again. Wait a few seconds while DirectX installs on your computer. Once the installation is finished, close the installer.